Hi everyone, I'm Mark from Vintage Stuff, and I want to bring you along on a new exciting adventure. I just bought a new property, and it needs a lot of work. And I figured I would bring you guys along on the journey with me. Yeah, so I'm hoping this will be a lot of fun. I'm not quite sure how well this is going to go. I imagine this might be interesting for people who just want to see the progress, or who are thinking of buying a property that needs some work. Maybe you are thinking of becoming a rental property manager and you want to see what it's going to entail to get a house fixed up. And yeah, we'll see how this goes. So I don't really have any fancy recording equipment. I'm just got a tripod and my cell phone. I also don't have fancy editing software. So this is kind of going to be a low effort thing for me. I am planning on just doing like long form videos where I turn the camera on and let you watch me work, and I will try to talk my way through things, try to give some tidbits and useful bits of information, and my thought process along the way. Hopefully people will find that interesting. If not, I won't feel bad if people skip ahead or fast forward through things, because I'm sure there's going to be lots of boring parts. But hopefully this will be interesting. Like I said, let's bring you along and see what we can do together. So thanks for watching, everyone.